Guys, what's going on? Shaquan from SLFX Trading here, and in today's video we're going to be breaking down a few currency pairs. Now before we go ahead and jump into the video, I just want you guys to know that we are using TradingView to look at our price chart. TradingView is a free platform where you can analyze any price chart that you like, beginning from currencies to stocks to ETFs to index, bonds, futures. You want it, you name it, you got it there on TradingView. It is a free platform, and when you're ready to upgrade, you can upgrade and go to their Pro Plus, and even their premium memberships. You guys, it's an all-in-one access platform. You can trade live, you can trade demo, just a really great platform, you guys. So if you're interested in it, you guys, click the link down below in my bio. Now, before we also get started, I also want you guys to know that yesterday I went live on Instagram talking about how to find safe trading communities, safe trading spaces, what to look for, how you can engage and get the best out of the community. So if you want to see that full video, that 1 hour video, you guys, make sure you head to my Instagram. I'll put the link down below for you guys as well. And then make sure you guys follow me over there too, because I do go live on Instagram once a week, every single week, Tuesdays at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and pretty soon I'll even be coming over here to YouTube to go live as well too. But without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and let's jump into the video. So you guys, we are going to be looking at the dollar index starting off. Now, before we get into dollar index, here's what I want to say, you guys. Right now, the dollar index has raised up a bit. Okay, now I've been looking at this $91 area, 91.01 to be more exact, and I've been waiting to see if price is going to take it out or if it's going to stay below for us to continue in a downtrend. Now, as you guys know, the dollar has been weak most of 2020, and right now, you know, she's still showing signs that, you know, she's struggling to stay below $91. She keeps creeping up, and she's creeping up very slowly. But if we do hit that $91 area, and if we do go up higher, I am thinking that we're going to see a little bit of a retracement, some bullish movement. And if we don't, you guys, guess what? Then we just keep playing opposites. We keep selling off the dollar like we've been selling it off, and we keep buying the major base, inverse base currency pairs, EU, AU, GU, and U, right? And so literally, if we keep it that simple, I know you got that we can get some good plays for the year. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get into Euro USD for an update. And if you missed the video that I put out last week on my YouTube involving Euro USD and USD Swiss, I'll make sure to link that down below as well, so you guys can watch the video too, or I'll put up a cue card somewhere over here, you guys. Then go ahead and check out that video before you continue to watch this one, so you can stay up to speed. Now, when it comes to Euro USD, we did something significant that we have to pay attention to. And the significant thing that happened was we came and we broke past 1.22083. Now, understanding that, you guys, what this is showing is that, okay, now we have a new lower low. It's been a while since we've had a new lower low. Now this means that price could potentially push down, right? So looking at it, and just to keep it very simple, if price for me can stay below $1.22 here, I'm looking to take price back down to $1.189. I'm going to just keep it that simple. I already gave the analysis out in last week's video. While I'm looking at this, price is still trading below $1.22. So we're going to rock out and see how it pans out for the rest of the week and going into next week. Okay. Now I have two barriers of defense here, you guys. I call these my estimation zones, where I estimate pullbacks can happen, right? First estimation is back up here into the $1.22 areas. Second estimation is the $1.21.5s. So right now I'm going to sit on my hands. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to see how the plays roll out. But you guys know my final target, 1.189s. And if anything changes, I will keep you guys up to date and post it, right? Remember, I told you guys last week that when we analyze our price charts, we're analyzing for the future. It doesn't mean you'll have a potential trade at that moment, but when you do, you know when to strike. Okay, so that's how we're looking at Euro USD. Now, the next currency pair we're going to get into is going to be USD Swiss. Now, fun fact, you guys, USD Swiss and Euro USD actually correlate oppositely, which means when Euro USD goes up, USD Swiss goes down, and then vice versa. So as you guys can see, we were just getting some bearish momentum on Euro USD, but here on USD Swiss, we could get some bullish momentum for the day in the following week. So it's potential, because just like we just got a new lower low on Euro USD, we got a seemingly new lower high, a new higher high on USD Swiss. And then with that being said, you guys, then I want to see if price has the potential to keep pushing to the upside, because price even came and beat out that seemingly higher high. Now we got a new wick that's higher, and if that's the case, I'm looking to see if we can take price up to the 90 cent area, the 93s. So literally 0.90300s, right? To see if we're going to continue to push up. And if that's the case, then that is why I'm hoping that to see the DAXY, or the dollar index, ticker symbol DXY, or indice symbol DXY, I'm hoping to see it go up past $91 to support, you know, what we're looking at technically wise. Now, this is all technicals. It's not based on fundamentals. And as we all know, fundamentals can change the game for everybody, right? But with that being said, you guys, simply put, that is Euro USD and USD Swiss updates. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to jump into another currency pair. I'm going to update you guys on this one to show you guys what's going on that one. That currency pair is going to be EURJPY. Now, dealing with EURJPY, guys, it is in the Euro base family. And here's what I mean with base. A base currency is the first currency within a currency pair. So I want you guys to understand that, and that is going to be our term for the week, base. So when you hear the word base, think of it as a group. What currencies fit within that group? Euro AUD, Euro New Zealand, Euro CAD, Euro Swiss, Euro Pound, EURJPY, right? And then there are others, but they carry the same first currency name, the euro. So since Euro USD got a lower low, EURJPY followed. Now, do these two currency pairs correlate? Not most of the time, no, but they can correlate because they fit within the same category, okay? So there are times when they will, just like right now, they're kind of doing the same thing. Euro USD got a lower low. Now, EURJPY has a lower low, which means this low point here, or exchange rate, is lower than the previous higher lows exchange rate. And so what that does is it gives you some information that, oh, we may be turning around, whether for a retracement or a reversal, depending on the time frames you look at and how you view your price charts. Okay, so with that being said, if price stays below 126 yen on this currency pair, I'll be looking to take it down to around 123 yen, 250 cents area. So that's the way I'm looking at this pair. Literally just keeping it simple, only because of the exchange rates and the change in control, right? So when price was going up, the euro had control, but now that we made the new low, the euro could be losing a little bit of steam, which could potentially cause it to drop. We'll see what happens on today's candle closure. I'm not going to judge anything until today's candle closes on both of the pairs. And then, you know, we'll see how we continue with our plays. But for right now, you guys, this is what I'm looking at for Euro USD, USD Swiss, and EURJPY. And let me know, what do you guys think as well? What are you guys seeing? Are you seeing the same thing? Are you seeing something different? How can you add value to this analysis? Okay, so with that being said, you guys, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys in the next one and in the future. You guys be blessed.